Hey guys, welcome to Hfoschool, and we're back again with a quick class. So this quick class is going to be on regiment and routine, and why it's pivotal in business, but why it's just very important in life overall is mainly and simply because we are the sum of our actions, right? Not the sum of our thoughts, not the sum of our plans, not even the sum of what we discuss, but we're the sum of our actions. So if we're the sum of our actions, that means you are what you do every day. Hence the saying, you are what you eat, which is translated into you are what you consume, but you are what you do every day. So, are you an athlete? If you're an athlete, do you work out every day? Do you meditate every day? Do you study every day? Do you work on isolated parts of the body to improve its overall performance every day? If you're an artist, are you studying the history of the art that you want to perform? Are you studying styles? Are you studying different forms of creating art, be it sculptures, paintings? Are you studying the world of it? And is that your routine? Is that your religion? Is that your life? Your religion is essentially your routine. Your religion is essentially your regiment. So if you're a Christian, are you an overall good person? Are you giving? Are you forgiving? And the different types can go on and on and on, and as far as examples, but regiment, routine, regular action and execution, that's who you are. And there's no way around it. Again, that's proven by the concepts you are what you consume, and the concept of you are what you do, and we are the sum of our actions. So that said, put that in the context of your business, put that in the context of your self-image, put that in the context of the things that, or your view of yourself as an investor, or even things that you need to work on and develop, or even eliminate from your life completely. So that's our quick class, and thanks for dropping by at Hfoschool. Till next time, guys.